and welcome back everyone, and in this lesson we will be diving into a crucial element of email marketing success, creating repeatable campaign processes and streamlining your workflows in Klaviyo. So whether you are a small business owner or a seasoned marketer, create efficient repeatable workflows will save your time, boost your consistency and help you scale your campaigns. So let's get started. Before we get into the tools, let's first understand why streamlining is so important. In email marketing, it's not just about sending emails. It's about engaging your audience and driving conversions consistently. The challenge is that without a repeatable process, you could waste time on manual tasks, miss opportunities, and create unnecessary efforts. So by creating a repeatable process, you can focus on the strategy while Klaviyo handles the repetitive work. So this leads to faster campaigns, launches, a better performance, tracking, and even continuous optimization. So now let's break it down step by step. So first is the campaign objective. So every campaign should have clear goals on what they are. Second is you welcoming new subscribers, offering a discount or reminding customers that abandoned carts. So in Klaviyo, this translates for setting up your list and segments appropriately. Third is creating email templates. So one of the best ways to save time is by creating reusable email templates. So build your templates around your brand, making sure each email flows a similar structure. And you can customize them for different campaigns, but the overall look and feel should remain the same. So you can even use Klaviyo's drag and drop editor to easily create templates for recurring use. Fourth is set up automation flows. So the backbone of a repeatable campaign in Klaviyo's automation is flows that allows you to automate the entire process from start to finish. And this is where your campaigns become fully repeatable without lifting a finger each time. So let's take an example of a welcome flow, and you want to welcome the new subscribers to receive a welcome email, a product introduction, and maybe even a special discount code. So rather than sending email manually, you can set up a flow that triggers automatically when someone subscribes. And to create a welcome flow, you can see our previous video on which we have created a welcome flow, so you can check that as well. So now let's walk through the process of setting up an automated flow in Klaviyo. So first, log into your Klaviyo account and then you will be welcome to the dashboard, and on the left hand side of the screen you will see the option of flows. So simply click this and you can create new flow by simply clicking this create flow. So you can create flows using welcome series or even post-purchase flows. So we have created a separate videos on creating the flows. So make sure that you check that out as well. And you can even add triggers. So we have even created the video for adding triggers and even the conditional splits as well. So the first thing you need is a trigger, which is the action that starts with the flow. And for the welcome series or you trigger, you would likely be when someone subscribes your list. So simply choose the list trigger flow or select new list of new subscribers, and you can even design emails in flow. So you can add emails to the flow, you can use a drag and drop option that Klaviyo had provided you with, and your first email could be a simple welcome message with a thank you for signing up, and the next one could introduce your best selling product or offer a discount code as well. And you can even set time delays, and these are the processes in which we have created a separate video for. So you can check that video for the detailed information and how you can add these features. And after that, you can even add filters and conditional splits, which I have already told you. So this is optional and you can add them if it is very necessarily needed as well. So if you want to send different messages based on certain criteria, such as whether someone has opened your email or made a purchase, you can add filters and conditional splits. And this will help you create more personalized experiences for subscribers. So now let's talk about segments and lists. So these are crucial for effective targeting. marketing. So what are segments? So segments in Klaviyo allows you to group your audience based on specific criteria such as new subscribers, abandoned carts, or engaged subscribers. And this ensures you are sending the right messages to the right person at the right time. And next one is the dynamic list. So Klaviyo's dynamic list automatically update in real time. For example, if someone subscribes to your newsletter, they'll automatically be added to new subscriber list and triggered to your welcome flow. So before launching your flows, testing is essential. So Klaviyo allows you to send test emails to ensure everything is working correctly, and you can check that triggers are firing as expected. So time delays are in place and even your emails looks great. And once your campaigns are live, continuously analyze performance, track metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and even conversions. So if an email underperforms, don't be afraid to tweak the subject lines, the copy of the call to action, and you can even use Klaviyo's A/B testing to experiment and find the best performing versions. So to sum up, creating repeatable processes in Klaviyo will save you time, reduce mistakes, and increase your effectiveness of your campaigns. So by setting up an automated flows, using reusable templates, and targeting the right segments, you will streamline your workflow and create engaging, personalized email campaigns. Thank you for watching, and I hope you are excited to implement these strategies in your own Klaviyo account. So I will see you guys in the next video where we will dive deeper into optimizing your email performance.